Hello everyone, my name is Hector Mendoza. Have you ever wanted to um, find the difference in years from one date to another, find the difference in months from one date to another, find the days from one date to the other, find how many weeks it's from one date to the other, or calculate the years, month, and dates from one date to the other. Additionally, you uh, in these calculations that I'm going to provide for you, you can calculate the difference between two times on just using times. But let's say that you work from one day, you work to the next day, and the calculations got to be a little different. So we have these calculations, dates, times from one period to the next. So let me show you how this works. Okay, so at the bottom of this video, you'll see a link uh, where you can download this file. And if you download this file, then you'll have a link to the Microsoft support where you can download this. What I'll go ahead and do is go ahead and put that link to that Microsoft support right underneath mine. So let's see how this works. If you notice, I've highlighted these two dates in red. And the reason I've done that is that in this area right here, this if I change this date here, watch what happens to this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I'm going to put my date when I was born, February 19, 1960. Okay, and see all of these dates moved, right? Now here, I'm going to put today's date. Today's date is 4/9/2022. If you notice, all of these dates will change. In the Microsoft document, you would have to key in each one of them. If that's what you're looking for, then, which I don't know why you would need something like that, you can go ahead and go to their link. Okay, so basically, I'm 62 years old, 1 month, and 8 days. Or I am 62 years old. I am 745 months old. I'm 22,695 days old. Or I'm 3,242.1 weeks old. Okay, now these other calculations. Um, this one is calculate difference between days and other month. There's some few other calculations. I'm going to skip all of those. The ones I want to show you, you go down to the bottom, is calculate difference between two times. So let's say that if you click here and all you would have to do is, let's say 8 in the morning. So 8 semicolon 00, and you want to put AM. Okay, that's important. Then let's say you work 8 to 4:30, and actually you would work if they gave you an hour break, you would have to work 8 to 4:30. um, from 8 to 4:30 gives you 8 hours and 30 minutes. So let's say you work 8 to 5. You would type 5 semicolon 00 p.m. That would give you 9 hours, but in between that you would have an hour break, so you would actually work 8 hours. Okay, now if I did from 8 until, let's say, 8 to 4, let's say you work 8 to 1 in the morning, you couldn't use that calculation. You would have to go in here and first you would put the date. So let's say today, 4 9 2022, and let's say, and look down here where I'm changing my numbers. I'm going to change that to uh, 8 a.m. Okay, so I started today at 8 in the morning, and then um, I'm going to end up getting off, it would be tomorrow because it would be after 1 in the morning. So I would put 4, 10, 20, 22, and let's say I got off at 2 in the morning, and I put AM. Now, oh, I put 2020. That's why they gave me a big O. So, okay, so that's 18 hours. Okay, guys, that's all I wanted to show you. Like I said, I have this file um, that you can download by clicking here. Or excuse me, well, you're going to go underneath where underneath my video. But once you open up this Excel file, if you click right here, it's going to send you right directly to the Microsoft and where all these calculations are. Okay. Now, if you notice, here's the download date, the same one that I showed you. The difference between that one and mine is here. Give me a second here. That theirs, if I change this date to 2/19 1960, this it's only going to do this area here. It doesn't automatically populate all these other dates. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to me. I will see you on the next video.